Beef Yakhni Pulao. Two tablespoon oil. 1 small garlic. Small piece of ginger. 1 small onion. 1 teaspoon black pepper. 1 teaspoon sath. 1 teaspoon dry coriander. 2 black cardamom. 5 lawang. 1 inch darchini. 1 teaspoon salt. 1 kilogram beef. 6 glass of water. 30-minute whistle. Filter beef yakhni. Half cup oil. 1 large onion. 1 tablespoon ginger paste. 15 cloves of garlic. Add beef. One teaspoon red chilli flakes. Three cup rice. 1 tablespoon black pepper. 1 tablespoon zeera powder. 1 tablespoon dry coriander. 6 cup yakhni. Cook until ready. Ready to serve. Like the video. Subscribe the channel.